Hello guys, welcome to Football Vlog. So today we are going to do the unboxing of GoPro Hero 10 Black. This is the camera that we are going to use to shoot all of our football videos from now on. So let's get to it. Here we go. Our GoPro is here and we are just we are opening it right now. So here you can see that there are these GoPro stickers that GoPro gives to the customers that you can paste uh, wherever you want, and there's also a manual that is translated in many languages that if you have any queries, you can get your queries answered in that. uh, and you can see that there are there is camera, there is a battery, and now I'm taking out the mount that can be used to mount the GoPro. We are just adjusting the frequency there. So these two things are there, and also we have a screw. We also have a screw that is used to screw our mount, and likewise we have just taken out the charging port for charging our GoPro, and the battery that comes with the GoPro. And So there it is. Now we are taking out the GoPro camera itself. So as you can see, the compartment in the GoPro is uh, it's very spacious, so we can use it for your future. For taking out your GoPro, you can use the container for future use. Now I'm taking out the sticker that's on the back screen of the GoPro. Likewise, I'm also taking out the front lens camera's sticker, and uh, also the fact about these lenses are they are uh, dust proof and waterproof as well. The water drops don't stick to it. Likewise, I have also taken out the sticker of our front camera. So what we are now doing is we are opening the compartment where the battery is going, and I have already inserted the SD card there. So you can see that I'm also again putting the SD card back in. It comes free in the GoPro pack as well. And now I'm putting the GoPro battery inside the GoPro. You can see it fits perfectly, and the door closes closed shut because it is a waterproof camera, so it has to be made that way. So we can see that clearly sign of the 10 black, so it's a Hero 10 Black. And you can again see it's very okay, very new and very shiny, uh, kind of like a dreamy, so this is it. This is our unboxing of GoPro Hero 10 Black. So it's thank you.